These Vox-style videos are going absolutely crazy viral on YouTube right now, but upon checking, I found that every single tutorial on this niche is using difficult and expensive tools like Claude Code or Higgsfield MCP, which will drink your entire $50 check for just a 10-minute video. So today I will show you how to make these exact same videos completely for free, just like I did. To begin, you need a good chatbot, and in the market, the three best options are ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude. If you want to make more research-focused videos, then go with Gemini. But if you want to make documentary-level videos, use Claude. I will use Claude, and do not worry, we will use the free version, not the code version. Now, at this point, you need a master blueprint, and I made one for you. This master prompt covers everything from start to finish, and once you feed this prompt inside of Claude, you will see that Claude is now fully trained to work in this niche for you. All you need to do is type continue, and Claude will provide you a list of 10 niches to pick from. If you want to make videos just like Vox, then go with crime documentary or money-related niche. But in case you want to use Vox-style editing on a completely different niche, you can type your own niche. And honestly, this idea is way better because using Vox-style editing in a different niche will put you in a perfect spotlight. Next, when you type continue after niche selection, Claude is going to write you a set of topics to proceed with. You can select a topic from the list, but in case you think these topics might already be saturated, you can ask Claude to provide you with less saturated or unique angles to cover. Once you provide Claude your final selected topic, the next step is script writing. All you need to do is provide Claude with the topic you selected, and along with it, tell the duration of the video you want. It can be up to 20 or 30 minutes. For demonstration, I will pick 1 minute, and once you hit enter, Claude is going to write your script. The best part about the script is that it will start directly from the topic without wasting any time on introduction or scene setup. You can read the script, save it in a notepad, and I really suggest you to replace a few lines in your own words. Once done, as we continue to the next step, Claude is going to convert the script into beats. For every 2 seconds of script, there will be a new beat. A beat is actually a timestamp for your script, and for every single beat, AI will write a separate image prompt. So in case your video is 2 minutes long, you will have around 60 beats, one every 2 seconds, and 60 beats means 60 total images. So you have a new scene every 2 to 3 seconds, keeping people glued in your fast-paced Vox-style edited video. But the catch is that the image prompt list is going to be very large. If a 2-minute video gives 60 beats, then a 20-minute video would give 600 beats, meaning 600 corresponding images. And in this niche, this is the only hard and time-consuming part. For getting this Vox-style videos master blueprint, head to my Discord server from the link in the description of this video, and then head to the prompts channel and check out the latest prompts. They will be named as Vox-style master blueprint. Guys, if you are enjoying this video, considering giving a like and subscribe to the channel. Once you have the image prompts, copy them in parts of 10 at a time and head to Google Flow. Once you create a new project, you will see a chat box on the side, and this is exactly the step where we will automate those 600 images on autopilot. In the chat box, write this short command. I make Vox-style edited videos on YouTube. I want you to gather all the information and skills required for making Vox-style edited images and videos, and hit enter. Once you do that, AI is going to search the web for Vox-style and acquire all the skills needed. Next, write, I will provide you a list of 10 image prompts, and I want you to generate all of them at once. Then paste your first 10 prompts next to it and hit enter. AI is going to do some processing, and you will see that all of your images will be generated in a single go. Now, one thing, after generating a handful of images, you will see an error that you have reached your daily limit. In that case, you can ask AI to use Nano Banana 2 or Nano Banana Pro. If you were already using Nano Banana 2 switching, the model will reset your limit, and once you reach the limit on both models, you can use a different flow account. Take a look at the images. They already look so good. The paper quality as well as the strings and characters, all all look amazing. Now you can turn these images into videos, but there is a catch. You can only animate 2 videos per day on OneFlow account. But here's a secret trick. Always make sure to ask AI to keep the duration of each clip at 6 seconds and always use the OmniFlash video model. This way, each generation will cost you 10 credits, and since you get 50 free credits daily, you can make not 2 but 5 videos per Flow account. With 6 Flow accounts, you can make 30 videos for free per day. Now head back to Claude and type continue. Claude is going to write you a universal prompt, and this single prompt will be used on every single image. You do not need a separate animation prompt for each image. Head to Flow, command it to use OmniFlash, and keep duration per clip at 6 seconds, and ask it to animate your first 5 images using this prompt. Once you provide the prompt, hit enter, and in a few seconds, your generation will start. Download the rest of your images and use a different Flow account to animate them as well. Just look at the animation quality. For a free plan, this level of quality and depth is genuinely outstanding and more than enough to get your channel on track. For a studio quality voiceover, I will use DubDub because besides quality, I need options. And I will tell you the best type of voiceover for this niche. When you are on the dashboard, make sure to jump straight into AI Voiceover Lab and then head to more voiceovers from the bottom. Now, do not lose focus because I know there is some really good stuff in the voiceover list. Your focus should be to go with a young male voiceover with a British accent. Why British? Because for crime documentary and money-related niches, especially in VOX style, a British accent takes audience retention to an entirely different level. But do not forget to turn the quality to ultra if you really want to hit the nerve. Now spend some time here, tell your girlfriend to hold the call for a few moments and pick a good voice. Once done, simply copy and paste your script in here. If your script is short, paste it all at once. But if it is long, then generate the voiceover in parts because generating in parts actually sounds more realistic and better than generating it all at once. Click on the play icon to preview the voiceover.
April 16th, 1947, Texas City, Texas.
Then just hit export, select format as MP3, and hit export once again. Before we jump into editing, let's get a good background music first to match the vibe of your video. For that, head back to Claude, and in the same chat, ask Claude to write you an instrumental background music prompt specifically for your video that matches the exact tone and vibe. You can ask Claude for 2 or 3 different variations, and for generating music, we will use Music GPT because it is free. I got 500 free credits on creating an account, so just paste your music prompt there. Make sure to select instrumental and hit generate. For each music, you will get 2 versions. Once you are done with music, simply import all the material into CapCut and place the voiceover on the timeline and listen to it. If it sounds good, then great. If not, just get rid of the awkward silent areas that feel off. Then place your clips accurately according to the voiceover. You can increase or decrease the speed of a specific clip if needed and trim out the unwanted parts to make everything fit in its place. I really do not suggest adding any transitions, effects, or even captions because the video is already highly animated. Just add the background music last and tweak its volume settings, then export your final video.
April 16th, 1947, Texas City, Texas. Dock workers loaded bags of ammonium nitrate fertilizer onto the French freighter Grand Camp. A crewman spots smoke curling from the cargo hold and then he calls for water. The captain orders steam instead, fearing damage to the cargo. Then the smoke turns amber. By 9:12 a.m., the hold glows orange beneath the deck plates. Crowds gather on the docks to watch the spectacle, completely unaware of what the ship carries. What nobody knew was that ammonium nitrate under pressure becomes an explosive itself. At 9:12, the Grand Camp detonates. The blast levels the harbor and snaps steel pilings and hurls a 2-ton anchor more than a mile inland. Windows shatter 40 miles away. Fires spread to the Monsanto chemical plant next door. In hours, a second ship, the High Flyer, catches fire on the same dock. Rescue crews pull back, remembering what came before. The anchor still sits where it landed, half a mile from the water.
But guys, what good will such an amazing video do if no one clicks on it? And this problem is bigger than you think. The worst part is most people skip this part and then start wondering why their video still has 5 views. Make people click on your video first, and for that, head back to Claude and ask it to proceed to the final step of your workflow, which is the thumbnail concepts. Claude will write you 2 or 3 different thumbnail descriptions, and you can use Nano Banana Pro to design your thumbnail. Simple as that. These are the thumbnails I generated, and they look better than I expected, almost professional. If you really want to make money from your very first video, then make sure to watch the video popping on your screen right now.